Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this baked moi moi. So let's dive into the main video without wasting much of your time. So here is the beans I'm going to be using for this moi moi. I'm using honey beans. So I'm going to soak it with water, then wash and peel out the back. So let me do that and come back. I'm done washing the back. You can see how clean washed it is. So I'm going to soak it for a little while before blending. After like 10 to 15 minutes, I'm ready to blend now. So I'll be blending it with scotch bonnet, garlic, ginger, onion, shombo, which is cayenne pepper. So I'll blend everything together smoothly. So I'll be using 3 stock cube. I'll add it in and blend them together. If you are new here and you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. To our returning subscriber, thank you for your support. Thank you for always stopping by. And to our new subscriber, you are welcome to Unique Dijja Space. Today is day 12 of Vlogmas. Thank you for your support so far. I really appreciate. Please support me by subscribing, sharing my video, commenting and liking. So back to the video. I'm done blending. The first thing that will go into the blended moi moi is my vegetable oil. So I'll mix that in very well before adding in anything like liquid into it. The next thing is my crayfish. That is the fish stock because I'm going to add in fish. I use mackerel fish for this, so I already boiled and debone it. So that is the stock that I just add. I'll mix it very well. So I'm trying to taste to see if there's any adjustment to make. Not, I don't need to add anything, not even salt. So that is the deboned fish. The next thing is to add in a little bit of water to loosen it a bit so that it will not be too thick. That bowl is what I use to debone my fish. And I already ready my baking pan by rubbing it with vegetable oil. So it is ready now into my baking pan. I'll be topping it with some fish, egg and green pepper. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. You can see how beautiful it is. It's ready to go into the oven. I baked this for 20 to 25 minutes and my moi moi is ready. Very delicious and yummy. You can have this with your pap, custard, oats, or gari. Have it with anything of your choice. This is so delicious. I love it, and I would love you to try it out and let me know in the comment section what you feel about this baked moi moi and cooked moi moi. So let's deliberate about it in the comment section. See you all tomorrow. Bye.